We've explored almost every part of the planet and seen nature in its astounding variety. But there's still much to discover.
Is she doing the noise?
Was that her? Is that her?
I wasn't expecting that.
Oh my God, she's bloody great.
Brilliant, right?
That's unbelievable. Oh my God. It's amazing. Never seen anything like this in my life.
That was incredible!
She's good, isn't she?
Thank you.
I was so mesmerized. I felt nature coming out of your body, the expression of nature, the force of nature. You are a force of nature. What can I say?
Thank you.
It was one of the most spiritual experiences I think I've ever felt. It was so stunning. I've never seen anything like it in my life.
Thank you so much.
I was utterly gobsmacked throughout that whole performance. Just sat here in a trance, mesmerised by you. And I'm sitting here thinking, I love this show. Like, this is the only show you would see something as magical as that.
Thank you so much.
Honestly, this was absolutely unbelievably good. The voice is sensational. Everything about that was perfection.
Thank you so much.
I think we are witnessing something truly special.
That is fantastic!
I think I know where this is going. Bruno?
Oh, yes!
I'm saying yes.
The yes from me.
4 yeses, congratulations.